Students will use the procedures on the Layers, Layers, and Layers student page to construct the understanding that a pattern of tilted and disturbed layers of sedimentary rock provide evidence for past crustal movement. Each pair of students will make 6 Play-Doh layers which will represent sedimentary rock layers. Provide each pair of students with 3 different colors of Play-Doh. Each color of Play-Doh comes in a small 1-ounce container. As you can see, I've selected blue, yellow, and orange. The Play-Doh in each container will make 2 layers. To help remove the Play-Doh from the container, I'm using one of the small craft sticks that comes in the kit because it's hard to pry it out. Now, as you can see, it may not come out that easily, and while it's in a cylindrical shape in the container, it may not come out in one piece. So to solve this problem, because I'm going to need to make 2 about equally sized pieces from this, what I'll do is I'll just roll it into a ball. Right. Now what I'll do is I'll take some dental floss, take off a small piece, and I'll divide the piece into 2 smaller pieces of about equal size, just by simply putting it on here and gently pressing down. So now I have the 2 pieces of about equal size. Each piece I'm going to form into a layer. Now, the size described in the manual is about the size of a business card, all right? And it gives the dimensions as 3 inches by 2.5 inches. I found that the business card is actually a little bit smaller, and the larger dimension made it a little bit too thin. So to do the first layer, what I did is I cut a little piece here, and I'm just simply going to form it like so to get it to about the right size. All right, it doesn't have to be exact, and it doesn't have to be perfectly rectangular. Now that I have the first one, I can shape the second one using that as a model. You want to get it to about the same thickness. And I have it like so. Then I can gently pull it up, and then I can take the other 2 colors and repeat the procedure. And gently pull it up so it doesn't come apart. And as you can see, I've already done that for the other 2 colors. I'll stack them one on top of the other. And you can see this came apart a little bit, so I'll just fix it. So I've got the blue, the yellow, the orange, and then the blue, another yellow. And it doesn't have to be in exactly the same order, but it couldn't hurt. And now I have a stack of layers. Now the assembled layers are ready to be used as models 1 through 4 that the students will do when they do steps 5 through 7 on the Layers and Layers student page. The assembled undisturbed layers of Play-Doh will be model 1 and represent layers of sedimentary rocks that have formed in originally horizontal layers.